Oh, you fucking idiot.
Motherfucker.
You're not seriously gonna fucking try and barge in, are you, mate? Fuck off. You clown. You fucking clown. Look at this. He had to fucking barge his way in. Allied Express courier. Couldn't fucking sit back and make his way like everybody else. No, he's got to fucking barge in at the last minute.
What's your problem, schmuck? I'm an inconsiderate prick!
Oh, you're good. Bloody hell.
Do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
Oi. Didn't even look. Straight through the red light. Fucking what are you doing? You fucking donkeys! You fucking donkey! You don't know where you're fucking going, do ya?
You fucking donkey!
Oh, good on ya! What a legend! Oi! What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, good on ya, mate! Good on ya!
You're a legend in your own mind.
Oh, you're brilliant. Cockroach.
Using the left lane, make a slight left turn on the Alpha Road.
Oh shit. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? That was through the red. That was blatant through the red, that was. Oh, great place to park the fucking car. So now I have to do an illegal U-turn because of that. What are you fucking doing, you idiot? You fucking idiot! That wasn't a fucking turning lane! "717 Yankee Uniform Tango." Here's a quiz for my subscribers. Anyone know what the car in front is? I don't have a clue what it is. If you know, comment.